everyone. Right now we're doing the take-up test before sending to our customer factory. Right, you can see from the control boxes we have English and Chinese buttons display on side, and also we have a Russian language inside to ensure our customer can see when he uses it. So now we can see inside. This is the same brand is China. It's about 20 years experience. Right now we can see the contact for the wires. Each wires have the number 2 inch, and at the same time we will send the electronic drawing to our customer to ensure each part. When some problem happens, the electronic engineer can fix it by themselves. Each wires have the number to ensure easy to handle and repaired. Right now we move to the wire rolling machine. We will doing this test left and right about 6 hours to ensure our wire rolling is for long life for use. And you can see doing the main driver test about 6 hours to ensure our main module machine is no problem. And also this kind of designs to save the manual's power to control this main shaft to connect with the whole of the bobbin. And this one is a special design for save the power to move the bobbin on the machine. And here the two modules are new design to put on the different kind of places. And here the cover to ensure the chain inside is safety. 就是现在调成上升和下降。Right now we were testing the up and down function. 上升和下降。你要不先把这个给关了吧？不动啊？没动。是吧？